welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of April 2026. On Monday, Nkunzi struggles with the reality of giving his power away to Babu Sizwe. Lily takes responsibility of her spiraling behavior. Mondli reinforces the values of teamwork and support among officers. On Tuesday, Nkunzi is no longer fighting the world, he's fighting the voice inside him that made him king. The attack ended, but whatever woke up inside Lily is just getting started on Wednesday. Sholipi seeks help from Geta, but Nkazimulo shows no empathy when he kicks her out like a dog. Lily's colleagues encourage her to open a case, but she refuses. Babekazi is suspicious of Mbata's behavior, suspects that he has a new girlfriend on Thursday. When Nkunzi lets go of power, Babsiza step in and Nkazimulo is left with nothing but regret. At the police station, one man threatened to expose a secret no one can afford to let sleep. Sholipi eats like a queen and negotiates like one, shocking Madlala into a risky partnership on Friday. Nkunzi stop fighting the cell and start living in it. But Geja sees a man who has given up. Babekazi open up to Fikile and quickly, quietly panics that Mbata may be moving on. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.